while bees sting. You see, there was a time when bees didn't sting. But the animals kept taking their precious honey.
I love honey. Me too.
I know. Let's play sticky fingers.
Yes.
Right. Remember how to play? One monkey has to get the honey any way he can. And then get all the way back.
That's easy.
Aha. But you're not allowed to use your hands. And you've got to watch out for the stinging nettles. One sticky finger.
Two sticky finger. Sticky finger 3.
All the sticky fingers.
Sticky fingers me.
Come along, sweeties. Back home. Oh, dear. Now, I don't want you getting in a frenzy, but I'm afraid some honey has gone missing. Oh, I don't know, but it's a dreadfully sticky situation. We'll have to go to Lion again.
Well, bees, this is very serious indeed.
We wouldn't normally make a fuss, but honey is so very precious.
Of course, of course. Does any beast know who is taking honey?
No.
Aardvark, you like honey.
I do. I love honey, but I didn't take any this time.
I love honey too, especially dripping over a fresh, juicy, ripe mango. Yum.
Animals, please. We have a honey crisis here. What if there is no honey left?
May I make a suggestion?
Please do.
We ask an animal to guard the honey.
Very good. Giraffe,
I'd be delighted. Thank you, everyone. Asante.
Oh, look. Giraffe is guarding the honey. Now we can't play sticky fingers.
Of course we can. We'll just have to call it very sticky fingers. Because you have to get past giraffe before you get to the honey.
My turn, my One sticky finger. Two sticky fingers.
Sticky finger 3.
All the sticky fingers. Very sticky fingers, me.
Oh, my! How did that happen?
Some beast snuck by you?
Oh, I feel terrible. It must have been an animal close to the ground.
Sounds like we need another animal to help keep guard. An animal who knows how to scare off naughty thieves. Crocodile?
Yes.
It would be my pleasure.
Look, 2 guards. Giraffe and crocodile.
Ooh, very, very sticky fingers.
My go.
Huh?
Phew. One sticky finger.
2 sticky finger.
Sticky finger 3.
All the sticky fingers.
Very, very sticky fingers, me.
Oh, my! How did that happen?
again?
I know. Right through the middle of us, Your Majesty.
And me, the scariest animal in Tinga Tinga.
If we don't do something, there'll be no honey left.
Elephant, call Owl.
Owl!
Three tops,
Check.
Ground level.
Check.
And I've got front, back, and both sides covered.
Our precious honey will be safe tonight.
We'll definitely catch that thief now.
Thank you, Owl. Asante.
Wait! Whoa!
Oh no! Crocodile,
Giraffe,
an owl. That's impossible.
nothing's impossible.
He'll never make it. This is very, very, very sticky fingers.
Oh, now which one is crocodile?
Huh?
Nothing this side.
Owl.
Nothing behind. Nothing this side.
One sticky finger.
Two sticky finger. Sticky finger 3. All the sticky fingers.
Very, very, very sticky fingers, me.
Some beast stole the honey with 3 animals guarding it?
Oh, dear. Soon there'll be no honey left in Tinga Tinga.
No, don't say that. That's terrible. Ouch! Ooh, ooh, ooh. That stings.
Bees, maybe you should move your honey down to the nettle patch.
But, sweetie, we'd all get stung.
Not if it was you doing the stinging.
Oh, we couldn't possibly do that.
Do you want to stop your honey from being stolen?
Well, if you put it that way, I don't really have a choice.
Then, may I suggest that you and your worker bees take a sting each from the end of a nettle leaf and glue it onto your bottoms with a little bit of honey? Then you can protect your own honey with your very own sting.
Stingy bottoms. That's brilliant.
Do we have to?
Save a honey, please save a honey, honey.
I suppose so. Now, line up, everyone. Put a bit of honey on your behinds. Now, sweeties, I want every one of you to fly down to the nettle patch and snap off a sting from the very tip of a nettle leaf. And do be careful, sweeties. Thank you, my dear. Now, turn around. Stingers on.
Stingers on.
We don't actually have to sting anybody, though, do we?
Only if they're stealing your precious honey.
Yes, of course. We can't have that.
There's no one here.
Oh, that's no fun.
I know. Let's all get one last sticky finger.
Oh, no, it's the monkeys. Has to be done. About turn. Buzz, bees, buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Oh no, we weren't stealing.
We were just playing.
Oh, dear. Sorry, sweeties. Buzz, bees, buzz.
Run, go on. Run.
You stole, you stole, you stole the honey. You stole the honey.
No, please.
Monkeys stealing honey from the bees? I am very disappointed in you.
But we weren't stealing. We were playing sticky fingers.
We're very sorry. Very, very sorry.
Oh, they do seem very sorry.
We didn't mean to steal anything.
Queen?
I think we should give them a royal pardon, don't you?
Granted. Monkeys, you are forgiven.
Oof. And that is why bees sting.
We just have to protect our sweet and precious honey. And now we can, thanks to you. A present from all of us.
Honey, monkeys, monkeys, sticky fingers.
Sticky fingers. Let's play. Sticky fingers. I want to play. Let's play.
And us monkeys swinging in the trees? Well, that's a whole other story. Why, Tortoise has a broken shell. Hey! You see, Tortoise was one of the speediest animals in the whole kingdom.
Look at me! I'm so smooth and so speedy!
Wow! Tortoise! Come here, chicks.
And Tortoise was smooth. He was brown and shiny and smooth.
Fancy a race?
Yeah.
And there was nothing Tortoise loved more than a race to the end of the waterhole.
And when I win again, you must promise to polish my beautiful shell until the sun goes down.
Agreed.
Ready, steady,
Go!
go!
No one beats me because I'm the best.
This time I'll win.
Never! Watch it, Tortoise coming. Watch it. Hold on. Jump the water.
Catch him up, Hare. Catch him up.
Come on, Hare, come on.
I am Tortoise.
Come on, Hare. Chop, chop. Hump your hump, Hare. Come on.
Here he comes.
Woo! I am the best. I'm better than the rest.
You have to polish Tortoise's shell.
Until the sun goes down. I am the best. I'm better than the rest. Fast and speedy and shiny.
A feast, you say? Yes, a feast in the heavens. Just for us birds.
Just for us birds. We have to tell everybody.
Shh. It's just for us, the feathered ones. It's a secret, Parrot. Shh. Keep it a secret.
Keep what a secret? A feast in the heavens. Just for us birds. A feast in the heavens? What a delicious thought.
Land animals are not invited.
Have you ever been to the heavens before? Well, the heavens are very far away. Way beyond the clouds.
Beyond the clouds?
And if you get lost beyond the clouds, you could be flying around Earth forever and ever.
Forever and ever?
But I could be your guide. If you take me up to the skies, I will get you there safely, smoothly, and speedily.
Wait there. I'll go and ask the other birds. Everybody!
Where is the heavens? Where is the heavens? Where?
And we don't know the way to the heavens, do we?
Where is the heavens?
Tortoise is right. I have indeed heard of dangers above the clouds, like thunderbolts and lightning, as well as the most sumptuous foods the heavens can offer.
What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do?
We must take Tortoise with us.
We must bring the tortoise. We must bring the tortoise.
Each bird must give a single feather, a good feather man from the middle of their wing. We will tie all the feathers to Tortoise's legs and teach him to fly.
Oh! Nice. Oh, thank you. Asante.
Tortoise, try your new wings.
Try.
Hey! Woo!
Tortoise, you are ready.
Tortoise, you are ready.
Once we reach the clouds, every bird must follow Tortoise to the feast in the heavens.
That's it! That's it! You are flying!
That's good, Tortoise.
Look at me! I'm so smooth and so speedy! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
Did you see what I just saw?
Yep, a flying tortoise.
A flying tortoise? Huh?
Woo-hoo-hoo! I am Tortoise! I am Tortoise!
You're one of us now, Tortoise.
I'm better than all of you bird brains!
Pleasant journey so far, Tortoise?
Yes, Eagle, but look, we're getting close to the clouds. Keep close, you don't want to get lost. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woohoo!
Tortoise, wait!
Wait? Why should I wait when the most sumptuous food in the heavens is waiting for me? I can run, I can fly, I am the best, oh my, oh my! Faster than eagle! Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Ah! Yahoo! Oh! Woohoo! Ooh! It's a bit bony, but oh, and another one. Oh, it's so delicious. Woo! What next? Woo, woo, woo. Not a single bird in sight.
Just a few more beats of your wings!
Oh, beetles! My favorite! Crispy perfection. My belly full.
Tortoise is eating everything! Where is he?
Over there. There's greedy Tortoise. Tortoise has eaten it all. Eaten it all.
Every little thing.
Oh, there you are. What made you take so long? I waited simply ages, and then my tummy started to rumble, and well, I couldn't wait anymore.
Pluck off his feathers!
Hey, you can't do this to me. Hey, you can't.
Greedy trickster.
Ow! Ooh! 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 Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Hey! Greedy trickster! No! Oh! Give me that back! You can't! How will I get back home without my wings? Yeah. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I'm better than the rest. I'm better than the rest. I'm better than the... Ah! My shell. My beautiful shell. Greedy trickster! Oh.
This piece goes here.
My turn, my turn. Where does this go?
Maybe here. It fits.
That'll teach you, Tortoise. You can't just race around without a thought in the world for anybody else but yourself.
I know.
See, tortoises can't fly.
But we saw him.
There! All fixed. Not as good as new, but all fixed.
Thank you, my friends. Oh. I will never think of only myself ever again.
And that's why Tortoise has a broken shell. From the day he fell out of the sky, his shell was bumpy and broken. And he never moved speedily again.
Fancy a race?
All right, then.
But Tortoise still liked to race.
Go! Come on, slow coach.
And did Hare ever get to be Tortoise? Well, that's a whole other story. Why, Parrot, can't keep a secret.
Why Parrot can't keep a secret?
Jumbo Parrot.
But you see, there was a time when Parrot was the best keeper of secrets in Tinga Tinga.
So you won't tell Crocodile that you're going to pull his tail? You promise you won't tell? Is that a yes or a no?
Parrot couldn't open his beak, so the animals didn't mind if Parrot overheard their secrets because he never said a word.
Bye-bye, Parrot.
Wiry.
Poor Parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parrot. Parrot! Parrot doesn't come after 4. What are you doing there, Parrot? You should have said something. Oh, sorry, Parrot. You can't say something. Silly me. Big head, see? Tiny brain. Don't tell anyone, but I'm trying to teach myself counting. It's our little secret.
Wanyama! Animals! Animals!
That's Lion. He sounds angry. Come on.
Where is everyone? I want every beast here.
I'm coming, Your Majesty. I'm coming. What is it? Oh, my goodness.
Some beast has stolen my mane. This is not nature's way. Does anyone know who took it?
No.
Who would dare do such a thing? Shocking!
No one has seen anything?
We haven't seen anything. We haven't seen anything.
How can I be king without my mane?
Your Majesty, we will search the entire land until we find your mane. We will search treetops and the water holes.
We will check in every burrow.
And we will look under every rock.
Come on.
We'll find it.
Your Majesty,
Please don't look at me like this.
don't worry. We will find your mane.
Thank you, Leopard. Asante. Such a beautiful cat, Leopard, with such beautiful spots. Maybe she won't like me anymore. But that's just between you and me, Parrot. Not a word.
Nothing up here. Dearie me, nothing in the treetops. Meerkat, can you see anything?
Nothing on the plains, but always on the lookout. Aardvark, can you see anything?
Nothing underground.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
I've never seen Lion so angry. Do you think Lion was angry?
Yes, he was really angry.
Oops. Sorry, Tortoise.
Well, if you ask me, Lion looked quite plain without his mane.
Peacock, you shouldn't say things like that. Some beast could hear you.
Funny how you take away the mane, you take away the king.
Parrot's right there.
Oh, don't worry about Parrot. Parrot can't tell anyone anything. Can't open his beak.
I stole Lion's mane while he was snoring underneath a tree.
How does it look?
Oh, it suits you, hyena. Oh, sorry, I mean, Your Majesty.
You look quite the king.
It is nature's way, my friends. I am the new king of Tinga Tinga.
Let me try. Let me try. Hyena, it's Parrot. He has seen us.
Don't worry about Parrot. He won't tell anyone.
He can't tell anyone. I want to go. Give me a go.
No. Let's hide the mane. Then we can all be king. Crocodile, come here. There you go.
No one will ever find it.
Without his mane, Lion can't be king. We don't want Lion to be king ever again. No.
Let's hide in the swamps. Oh, and Parrot, keep your beak shut.
Here, keep looking, keep looking.
Sorry, Parrot, I can't understand you.
Sorry. Keep looking, keep looking.
Parrot, this is no time for games. We have to find this mane.
Oh, Lion's going to stay angry forever.
Huh? Polly, sorry, Parrot, we can't understand you.
What will Lion do if we can't find his mane?
I don't know. Let's have some coconut before we start looking again.
Jumbo Parrot!
Jumbo Parrot! I know. It's really hard, this coconut. Well, if you want to try and open it, Karibu, please do.
Yes, you've got a hard beak. You have a go.
Go on. You try and open it. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh.
Yes! I found the mane! I found Lion's mane!
You opened your beak!
Parrot, you opened your beak!
Say something, Parrot, say something!
I found the mane! I know where Lion's mane is!
Well, what are we waiting for? You've got to tell Lion straight away.
Yes, let's.
Aha!
Come on! Haraka, haraka, quickly!
I know where it is!
Oh!
Aha! In the middle of those rocks, Your Majesty! Your mane is underneath those branches!
Aha! I am King of Tinga Tinga! Parrot, I cannot thank you enough. You have done your king a great service. And do you know who stole my mane?
It was hyena and jackal and crocodile and lizard!
And where are these scoundrels?
Hiding in the swamp!
Hyena, jackal, lizard, crocodile, show your faces before the king.
And they said they wanted to be king of Tinga Tinga.
Did they now? Well, we'll have to show them there is only one king of Tinga Tinga.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
That will teach them.
Your Majesty.
You have done extremely well, Parrot.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there's more.
Go on.
Well, Peacock thought you looked quite plain without your mane.
Did he now?
But.
No buts, Peacock. Anything else?
Well, poor old elephant here can't count, and he's too embarrassed to tell anyone.
Parrot, that was our little secret.
Elephant, why didn't you tell me? I'll help you count. That's what friends are for.
Oh, thank you, Tortoise. Asante.
Ooh, the monkeys are going to pull Crocodile's tail.
Shh, Parrot.
I'm afraid we've started something we may come to regret.
Because Crocodile can...
So you see, Parrot was so pleased to have helped Lion that he couldn't stop. And that's why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Oh, and there's one more thing. Lion was really worried. He thought the leopard wouldn't like him anymore without his mane.
Yes, Parrot. Thank you.
Oh, I'll always like Lion.
And lovely leopard and her beautiful spots. Well, that's a whole other story. Why hen pecks the ground.
Look at them. Not like that. Shake and ruffle. Like this.
What are you doing, Mama Hen?
Shush, Monkey. She's trying to teach her little ones to keep clean.
But they're filthy dirty.
They are so adorable.
All made out of sweetness.
Hen looks happy, doesn't she? That's because she is. Funny way to get clean, though.
Bath time.
Good shot, elephant. Oh!
Jumbo monkeys, you fancy a blast?
No.
It's cleaning time.
It's boring.
Monkeys? All animals must take care of themselves. It's nature's way.
But I don't want...
No buts.
Okay, sir.
Hey, Tickbird, you look a bit muddy too.
Thank you, Lion. Asante.
Elephant!
And roll and ruffle.
How are we supposed to get clean if Mama Hen and her chicks keep covering us in dust?
Oh, monkeys. We all have our different ways of cleaning. I lick, you pick, and Mama Hen and her chicks, well, they just dust.
That's good.
Poor hen. So grubby. And so completely, utterly, all-consumingly brown.
I may not have fancy feathers like you, Peacock, but at least I have friends.
Dear hen, utter not another word. You're a born mother, so no need to worry yourself about how you look. And brown is such a practical colour. Covers the stains.
Peacock, I think you owe Hen an apology.
Do I?
Yes, you were really mean.
I think brown is a rather nice colour. Blends in with everything.
Elephant.
What? Delightful observations, but I think you've all forgotten a teensy-weensy little something. I am Peacock. I don't do apologies. I do beautiful.
Thank you for trying, dear friends. We'll be heading home now. Come on, little ones.
Oh, poor hen.
He's right, you know. I'm plain and brown and dowdy.
I've told you, Hen. Don't mind Peacock. He just loves himself way too much. How's about you come and visit my nest, hey?
Oh.
Come on, I'll take you up there on my back.
You would do that for me?
Just this once. I've built this new nest, and I think it's rather spectacular, even though I do say so myself.
Thank you, Eagle. Asante.
Climb on.
This is flying.
Look. Hold on.
Oh my. It's truly beautiful. And you did this all by yourself?
Just me.
How did you do it?
It's a precious secret I've never told another living animal.
Eagle, please. I promise I won't cluck to anyone.
All right, I'll show you.
What is that?
A needle. Magpie dropped it, and I discovered I could sew all sorts of things. Look.
Eagle, I know it's a lot to ask, borrow your needle?
I'm sorry, Hen. It's just too precious to me.
I'll be extremely careful.
There's only one of these needles in the whole of the animal kingdom. I cannot let it out of my sight.
I'll look after your needle as if it were one of my chicks. Please, Eagle, please.
Only because it's you.
Oh, Eagle, thank you.
So, what are you gonna do with it?
You'll see. Shona, Shona, so and so. Fuma, Fuma, weave and weave. And so and weave and weave and so. Pole, pole, here we go. Shona, Shona, so and so. Fuma, Fuma, weave and weave. And so and weave and weave and so. Pole, pole, here we go. Pole, pole, here we go.
Ooh.
Mama hen.
Away we go!
Hey, yeah.
Come on! Come on, monkeys!
Hey, hey, ha, ha.
And who are you?
Don't you recognize me, Peacock?
Well, what on earth? Hen?
Not so proud now, am I?
Well, talk about from rags to riches. Oh.
That put Peacock in his place.
Now I can strut too.
Hey!
Hey, careful!
Sorry, Tortoise.
And so and weave and weave and so. Woohoo! Shona, Shona, so and so. Fuma, Fuma, weave and weave. Pole, pole, here we go. His face was a picture.
That will teach Peacock with his fancy I don't do apologies. Now, think how impressive I would look if you, Mama Hen, sewed all of nature's beauty into my glorious mane.
I could never do that.
Why ever not?
Because it's Eagle's precious needle. And I promise never to let it out of my... Oh no! The needle! The needle! Oh! Where can it be?
Oh no!
Chicks, search! We must find the needle.
Oh.
Quick, quick, quick!
Don't worry, Hen. We'll find it.
Is it here? No.
No.
Uh-oh.
Must find the needle. Must find the needle.
Jambo, Hen. I hear you're quite the talk of the jungle. So can I have my needle back?
I had the needle, and then I didn't have it. And I mean, I was looking after it, obviously, but it just...
You've lost my needle, haven't you?
Sorry, Eagle.
I trusted you with the most precious thing I had in the world.
I know, but I will find it.
I'm sorry, Hen. Until you find that needle again, our friendship is over.
I'll find the needle. I promise.
So that's why Hen pecks the ground. She's always trying to find the needle for Eagle. And Eagle never flew down again to speak to her friend, waiting for the day her needle will be returned.
Must find the needle.
Dearie me. Pecking in the dirt in a coat like that.
She's got to find her friend's needle.
You may be beautiful on the outside, Hen, but you're still brown on the inside.
Peacock, you don't understand friendship.
Says who?
Eagle said it.
Like I give a hoot.
La 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 la. And fancy Peacock. Well, that's a whole other story.
Beneath the Tinga sky. Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Cheza, cheza. Come on, dance.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Imba, imba. Come on, sing.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Shuka, shuka. Shake it down.
Tinga, tinga,
Woo.